Regional Park, and we are going to test out our new cruiser scooters. This is a 104-acre property nestled at the foot of the Coyote Hills. The entrance fee is $3 per vehicle on weekdays and $5 on weekends, but it's free if you walk in or scooter in our case. This being Brother's first time, he's having trouble controlling. But soon he's got the hang of it. There are many ducks here by the pond, so I'm carrying my scooter so I don't get duck droppings on the wheel. Now I'm going to slide down the slope. And now it's Brother's turn. Hey, you're not supposed to be pedaling down hills. Try again, Brother. One more time. That's better, but please stay off the grass. There's a variety of recreational activities at the park, including children's playground areas.
Now we're gonna climb up the structure.
We're going to have a race. We're gonna race to the end of this fence here and see who gets there first. I beat Brother and I wasn't even going that fast. Let's see what else is here at the park. The cruiser wheels light up when you reach high speed. Brother found another playground.
Now I'm gonna go down the steep wiggly slide.
Brother, you learn how to scooter very fast. Now we're visiting the Interpretive Center. Opened in 1988, this paleontology museum provides an educational view of prehistoric Orange County. There are many fossils here, including that of a Columbian mammoth. I'm pretending I'm a sea lion. Oh no, Brother got swallowed by a shark. Now we're entering the marine section. This fossil was excavated when the 241 toll road was constructed. And there are many hands-on activities for kids. We're going to clean a fossil. Next, I'm using a magnifying glass to take a closer look at the bones. Hey viewer at home, your nose looks so big. Lastly, we're learning about the water level in Orange County in prehistoric times. Back on the trail with our scooters. We found this big steep hill to ride down. Whoa! Brother didn't do too well either. Hey, your scooter's getting away. But soon we both mastered the slope. Brother is now a pro at riding scooters. We had a great time riding the scooters at the park. You can purchase your own cruiser at the link in the description. And Brother gives it his double thumbs up. Today we're unboxing Scooter Professional Series. Scooter 1. Yes, I know bubbles.
I popped some of them. Extraction.
There's the rod, and there's... Yes, you're supposed to put it. Poppy Bubble!